All right, everyone, this is the Brand Builder, and because a friend of mine asked me to do a quick tutorial, I'm gonna do it really fast just to show you guys like how to do this. So let's talk about how you set your clock for daylight savings time. Right now I got my clock at 9 a.m. Standard Eastern Time, and it's actually 10 o'clock right now. So this is a Nissan Rogue 2017, and for everyone who wants to know how to do this, here we go. So if you look at the settings here and you go here and you try to go down to clock and try to change it here, it'll tell you set it in Navi. What you're actually going to do is set it in the apps. You're going to hit the apps, right? Then you're going to go to settings, click on settings, and then you're going to hit system. Go to system. And then you see clock and date, hit clock and date. And then you'll see daylight savings time at the bottom. You see time format, date, clock mode. And then you just hit daylight savings time and it's on, and it adjusts the time to 10 a.m. and you're all done. So there you have it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to go to the store and get some cream for my coffee.